So when you're creating elements inside your Kit account, you'll see that a few of them have the option to be able to duplicate them, which is a great time saver. So if you've got something created and you want to create something that's very similar to it, rather than starting from scratch, you can duplicate it and then edit it accordingly. So let me show you what I mean. So first of all, these are the elements that you can duplicate inside Kit: landing pages, opt-in forms, broadcast emails, email sequences, email templates, email snippets, visual automations, and products. So whichever one of those you are creating, let's get into landing pages and show you as an example. Let's say I open this one, and let's say I want to create a duplicate of this, and make it look similar to another one. You'll see this these three dots up here. If you click on there, you get the option to duplicate. So just by clicking that, it goes away and it creates a duplicate copy of that. And this time you can see it's got the words "copy of" in front of this. So I'll just give this a new name. So let's call it form number 2. And let's say I change the background color, the background image to something different. Let's say just leave it at black. And then I'll go back to the form. I'm going to rename this. Call that form number 1. So now we've got form 1 and form 2 here, and they're exactly the same thing, apart from that image change. The other way you can duplicate a form is without actually getting into the form. You can duplicate it from this level. So again, form number 1, I can click there and I can create duplicate. Loads in the editor again, and again I can just go and edit that title and call it something different. Let's call this one form number 3. So you get the gist. They're very, very simple to edit, to duplicate and then edit accordingly. Other elements you can do that with is broadcasts. So if you've sent an email out, let's say you've sent out this email, just by clicking that little ellipsis there, again you can do a duplicate for a broadcast email. If you duplicate a broadcast email, it will not only duplicate the content of the email, but it will also duplicate the list of people to which it's going to be sent. So if you are going to send an email to, let's say, a subset of your list, and you send that email and then you duplicate it, then the send to list will be duplicated from the first email as well. Other elements, sequences, again, it's very, very much the same process. Get into the 3 dots, click duplicate, and that will create a new sequence based on that one. Visual automations work in exactly the same way. Click on that and then pick let's say that freebie weekly newsletter one, click on that and again click duplicate. So it's just an easy way to, once you've created an element that you like and it's got all the functionality that you want, but you want to create something that's not exactly the same but quite similar, use the duplicate feature inside Kit and it will speed up your productivity. Alright, cheers.